Moving right along, our next one is the active voice. And this is one that I used to see a lot when I managed new e-learning designers. And it can be tricky, I get it, to make that shift from the formal academic tone of writing to the more conversational tone that's so important in e-learning. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to look at how to use a simple custom prompt in AI Assistant that'll transform your writing into active voice, so from passive to active. Just keep everything still clear, direct, and easy to follow, but just a simple prompt dropped in and make a quick change. So here's what it looks like. I have the prompt right here. I'm just going to copy this one, which is telling us to, what is it telling us to do? Copy, edit the text to favor active voice over passive, making sentences clearer, stronger, and more direct. All right, let's come down here, and we have another of our starter text right here before example, and I've highlighted the areas where it's in the passive voice. So I'm going to duplicate this real quick, and again, you can just see how quickly this works. Just select your text and open up AI Assistant, edit, and we'll drop that prompt in there right there, make that sentence more active, click enter, and we can see what it comes up with. So I'm pretty confident this is going to work. I'm going to say replace selection, and we can do a quick compare and contrast. Is achieved through, training requires, right? Automatically made those changes. You must understand, should be understood to you must understand. And that's how easy this one is. What I would recommend also is, this is a longer prompt. I would save these maybe in your own notepad or something. But a lot of times you could just say, rewrite this in the active voice, and that might be enough. And the more specific you are, the more intentional AI Assistant's going to be with your edits. But just keep that in mind that that's another option for you for modifying your text, especially more passive or academic type writing, and moving that into the active voice.